In the evolving world of photography, a capable, user-friendly camera that sits under a $3,000 budget is extremely compelling for enthusiasts and newcomers alike. These compact options blend advanced sensors, high-resolution stills, 4K to 8K video capabilities, and modern connectivity, Wi-Fi, HDMI, and webcam use.
List number 1. Digital cameras for photography. The Canon WD-05 delivers an ambitious blend of 8K video capability and 64-megapixel stills in a compact chassis, marketed as an all-in-one solution for content creators who want high-resolution output without the complexity of traditional pro gear. Its 4-inch touchscreen, dual front/rear cameras, built-in Wi-Fi, and a 32GB card create a ready-to-shoot out-of-the-box experience, while its Micro Four Thirds compatibility suggests a flexible ecosystem for lenses and future upgrades. The package includes a 3000 mAh battery and lens hood, plus a basic warranty window, which positions it as a strong entry point for hobbyists who crave ultra-high video resolution without stepping into the high-end market. In practice, the 8K 64-megapixel claim signals ample headroom for creative cropping and post-production flexibility, though users should temper expectations around autofocus speed and rolling LUT-forward processing on consumer hardware. The camera offers digital image stabilization and a variety of shooting modes, plus webcam mode for streaming, which makes it versatile for live sessions and remote work. However, the form factor and processing needs mean workflow considerations matter. 8K footage demands storage bandwidth and capable editing hardware, and the sensor size 1/2.5-inch.
List number 2. 8K digital cameras for photography. The Farkadal W05 8K1 Black targets content creators who want a feature-rich compact with dual lens capability and robust Wi-Fi connectivity. Its 8K video and 64-megapixel stills are complemented by a 4-inch touchscreen and a set of shooting modes and filters designed for quick, social-ready content. The inclusion of a 3000 mAh battery, 32GB card, and a full accessory pack makes this a turnkey option for creators who shoot on the move and need reliable throughput for vlogs, unboxings, or travel diaries. From a performance perspective, the camera's hybrid autofocus and digital zoom provide practical flexibility, though the form factor and sensor size, 1/2 to 1/2.5-inch, reinforce the same low light and dynamic range trade-offs seen in similar budget 8K devices. The dual lens concept is appealing for selfies and group shots, but the fixed lens approach means you'll be relying on digital zoom at longer focal lengths, which can degrade image quality. The device's weight and build are acceptable for casual to intermediate users.
List number 3. 4K digital camera for photography. The Xterra DC101 offers a highly accessible 4K 64MP shooting package with a 3-inch 180-degree flip screen, built-in Wi-Fi, and included 32GB card plus 2 batteries. It is clearly pitched at beginners and budget-conscious buyers who want a capable still and video camera without the complexity of a DSLR. The kit contents, UV filter, bag, strap, and a comprehensive battery set underscore its value-focused orientation, while the 4K video and 16x digital zoom deliver flexible performance for family events, vlogging, and travel content. In use, the camera's autofocus performance is adequate for casual photography, and the flip screen makes selfies and vlogging straightforward. The 64MP stills promise sharp images, though the sensor size, 1/3 inch, and compact optics will naturally constrain dynamic range and high ISO noise handling compared with larger sensor cameras. The bundled accessories and 18-month replacement or warranty offer long-term confidence, but advanced users may outgrow the feature set and crave optical zoom or interchangeable lenses. Overall, this model shines as an entry-level, all-in-one travel companion.
List number 4. Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera with 18 to 55mm lens. Canon's EOS Rebel T7, also known as the 2000D in some markets,
provides a traditional DSLR experience with a proven 24.1 megapixel APS-C sensor and the familiarity of Canon's EFS lens ecosystem. The 18 to 55 mm kit lens with IS, built-in Wi-Fi, and a graphical user interface that appeals to beginners makes this a solid gateway DSLR with the added benefit of a large, bright optical viewfinder and a Canon ecosystem that's mature and widely supported. In practice, the T7 excels in still photography with dependable color rendition and reliable AF in standard lighting plus full HD video. While it may lack 4K video in this kit and has a relatively modest feature set compared to newer mirrorless options, its robust battery life, optical viewfinder, and abundant lens options keep it relevant for learners who want hands-on DSLR mastery and long-term upgrade paths within Canon's system. The included AF system is basic by modern standards, but adequate for education.
List number 5. Canon EOS 2000D Rebel T7 DSLR camera with EFS. This renewed Canon EOS 2000D bundle offers a complete, ready-to-shoot DSLR package with 24.1 megapixel APS-C, the EFS 18 to 55 mm kit, and a sizable 64 GB SDXC card. The renewal status, 90-day warranty, and an extensive accessories kit make it a compelling value proposition for those who want a full setup at a lower upfront cost, while still stepping into Canon's ecosystem with access to frequent lens upgrades and compatibility with EF and EFS lenses. In use, the renewed body delivers the familiar Canon handling and image quality, though the renewal status implies potential cosmetic wear or age-related performance considerations. The bundle's 18 to 55 IS2 lens provides optical stabilization for everyday shooting, and the camera's 9-point AF system is serviceable for learning photography basics. With 1080p video, it remains adequate for hobbyists who don't require 4K or advanced video features, but buyers should verify the renewal warranty terms and ensure compatibility with current SD cards and computer workflows.